Good morning. Patry ko to kay Sak.
What is it?
It's a cucumber, green apples.
I've had that before.
Yeah, nice. Go drink it.
Can I try it?
Let her try. Good job, Saki. Ipa-prepare na sila. Kasi may laro sila today. Finish it, Baba. Nice now, Sak. Alright, mag-walking muna ako. Okay? I put your clothes there, okay? Nabutan ko pa sila bago sila umalis. Mauna sila kasi yung laro ay dito lang sa bay. So, mauna sila. Niready ko naman yung mga gamit nila bago ako nag-walking. Quick walk lang tayo ngayon. Mga 4.73. Almost 5K din. So, mag-ready na rin ako. So, 2 car yung gagamitin namin kasi mamaya alis din kami ni Holly. What? Okay. Dito na ako sa bay kung saan maglalaro yung mga bata. Pero hindi ko kayo dadalhin doon. Iiwan ko kayo dito. Mamaya na lang, okay? Ang hangin. Siguro palit ako ng jacket. Kasi ito na yung susuotin ko mamaya sa ano ni Holly, sa display concert. Palitan ko yung jacket ko nito. Kasi ang lamig dito. Hindi kaya ng ating denim. Kahit 3 layers na to. Ay, tingnan nyo yung hangin. Wait, palit tayo. Pa ako malamig. Ayun pa ako nilalamig. Lipas ng hangin. Okay. See you later, guys. Okay. So kunin lang namin yung backpack. Go out, Baba. Get your backpack. Yep. And then pass me my bag. That one. Oh, yeah. Can you carry it? Ba, ang dami naming dala. Alright, let's go.
High-fiving me.
Huh?
This girl that was high-fiving me, she would go like that, and then this Grace girl, she comes and goes like that to me. I'm like, calm down. She's like, it was an accident.
That's alright.
No, like really hard in my chest.
Oh, well, are you alright? Ito na kami sa car ni Jan. Ayan, nag-start na yung boys. Ilagay natin kasi dito naman tayo sa car. I'll give you money to buy you some food because the food that I pack is for later. How much is the chips? Kuha tayo dito sa wallet ni Jan.
Probably just get $5 or $10.
I got 20s. Okay.
And then get trash.
What else did I get? Chips and
Just one lolly.
one lolly.
You try your chips.
Okay.
Do you want anything?
I'm just gonna have some.
My chips.
Yeah. Is it with gravy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Iwan ko nandun yung aking
I'll be back.
may ginawa akong juice nandun sa car. Nakalimutan kong dalhin. Ayoko nang bumalik. Malayo yung lalakaran natin. Sinisipon ako. Malaki yung mga kalaban ng mga bata. Nila kuya. And etong damit na to, ayaw ko sana itong suotin kasi wala na akong time maghalukat doon sa aking kung saan ko nilagay yung mga pang winter kasi hindi ko pa nilabas yung pang winter ko. Kanina nakapag skincare na ako. Then pagsuot ko nito, yung balahibo niya dumikit sa mukha ko. Tinatry ko sanang tanggalin, ginaganon ko. Hindi siya matanggal. So naghilamos ulit ako, then inulit ko yung skincare. Sana wala. Nagliliparan sila. So dito natin naayusan si Holly para mapanood ko pa yung boys habang naglalaro kasi 12:30 kailangan kong i-drop off si Holly sa dance school niya, tapos pipick upin ko siya ng 1:30, Dadalhin ko siya sa theater kung saan magaganap yung display concert. So, dinalan ko siya ng maraming snacks kasi maghapon kami doon. So, meron siya syempre yung mga tulad ito, popcorn, pretzels, cheezels, Pringles, Harvest snacks, and fruits. Meron siyang grapes, orange. Yeah, meron siyang mandarin dito. Tapos apple, macarons. Ayan. And nagdala ako ng fried rice. Di ko nilinagyan ng isda kasi baka mangamoy si Holly dun. So, fried rice kasi meron naman siyang beef, diba? May mince naman to. Then, cutlery. So, yan yung baon niya. So, ito yung lunch. Ito yung snacks. Gusto ko sanang uminom ng juice kaso nga yun. Naiwan ko yung juice dun sa car. Ay, siguro. Ay, wala na. Bigyan ko sana si Oli ng, lollies. Wala na. And dala ko yung ating, syempre, yung gagamitin sa kanyang muka. So, eto yung costume ni Holly. Di ba nakita nyo na to? Ang cute. Double check na rin natin na nandito talaga siya sa bag ni Holly. So, yan. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang cute nito ng silk ni Holly. Tapos, ito yung socks na required. Black. Medyo malaki to kay Holly, pero ito yung pinakamalit doon. And, ito na yung last doon. Wala na tayong ibang mapagkukunan kasi wala rin sa Kmart. And, ito yung sa solo niya. Sana hindi ko mahulog-hulog ko dito. Alright. Check. Dito yung pambaba. Nilagay ko siya sa ilalim kasi second, kasi may first, may program kasi. So, first is yung eto, yung leopard. Then, magro-rest lang 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Then, next, eto na yung solo ni Holly. Yan. Ito yung sa kamay niya. And sa buhok. Then, ito. Meron siya dito damit kasi susuotin na to ni Holly papunta doon. Then papatungan niya na lang ng etong top niyang long sleeve na crop. Eto din na hindi wag wag na siya magganito kasi meron naman siyang pang inner. Eto yung kanyang leggings. So eto yung susuotin niya mamaya. Papunta doon. Wala tayong naiwan ha. Nakita nyo pasok lahat. Pati medyas. Ayan yung medyas niya. Sana talaga kasya to kay. Sinukat niya naman pero medyo malaki talaga siya. Tapos chipipay yung chipipay yung garter. Yung alam mo yun First pa lang to. Sinukat lang ni Holly. Medyo maluwag na Medyo maluwag na. So, dalawa to. So, mamaya, tingnan natin kung alin dito yung hindi mahuhulog sa paa ni Holly. Kasi manipis. Payat din kasi ang paa ni Holly. Walang laman. Parang ako lang. Maliit ang legs. Okay. Sapatos. Nandito yung Crocs. And ito yung gagamitin niya. Yung pang jazz niya. Yan. Okay. All good to. May tubig din siya dyan. Meron siyang dalang tubig. Nasaan yung tubig niya? Yung nasa tumbler. Then, dito is yung gagamitin ni Holly, syempre, pag yung suot niya na is yung pang solo kasi kita yung skin. Lalagyan natin siya ng Tiviant na Star Balm. Ay, baba, dito na siya. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya niyan.
Oh, mine was so lucky Hyperfenol. Let me go in front of
So, nandito yung gagamitin niyang makeup. So, may requirement sa makeup niya. Nakalista yon. Oh, $10.
No,
How much?
it
Okay.
was only $6.
Oh, $6. Can you put alcohol, please?
No, I got a fork.
Okay.
I'll still put some on.
But I need an alcohol because I've been touching your shoes.
Touching my what?
Touching your shoes. Sorry, Baba. Tapos na yung first quarter. Ang bilis, di ba? Sino ba yung who's leading? Hindi ko makita yung score.
Is that in the
Can I have a little bit, Baba? I got your rice for later.
with what?
Fried rice. The fried rice. I didn't bring fish because
I don't like it.
you don't like the fish? Oh, ayaw mo. But you ate a lot last night.
Only one.
Only one? Did you give it to Kuya TJ? Oh, kasi pinaghimay ko siya. Akala ko gusto niya kasi kumakain siya.
I
Pinamigay
really
niya.
like crayfish.
Crayfish?
Uh-huh.
You should like fish because fish is good for your health. Good or not good?
Hmm?
Good or not good?
I love you. Can I have alcohol, please? That's enough.
Okay, manood muna kami. Balikan ko kayo mamaya pag mini-makeupan natin si Holly. Kain daw. Tapos na si Holly kumain. Prepare na natin ang ating baby girl. So, for makeup display, foundation, a golden brown eyeshadow, red lips, fake eyelashes. Required you. Yeah, you don't have to. So, required yung
Did you get
lashes.
mascara?
Yes, I do have a mascara.
Is that just it?
And blush as per photo. Kasi may picture silang sinend din kung paano gagawin yung makeup, yung buhok, kung anong kulay ng kanilang makeup. Golden brown. So like this. Ganyan daw. Oh, yan. Okay. But first, let me wipe your face.
And I don't say you should have pressed on it.
Yeah, yung ipin niya, bothering sa kanya. Here, Baba.
I want to push it.
Okay, your nose because you have some. So, yung dala kong makeup pala sa kanya ay, ayan. So, meron tayong sa buhok, yung pang spray
For my hair.
for your hair. Meron tayo dito yung tart na ano, tart. Yeah. Ito yung sa tart na palette. Ayan. Golden brown. So, meron dyan.
Is that good?
Yes. And, just put it here. Dior.
Dior.
So, meron ditong lipstick na red. So, yan yung gagamitin natin sa
Is
kanya.
that eyeshadow or blush?
There's a mix. So, there's may golden dyan. So, mayroon
That's a good gold.
gold, yes. So, we can use that too. So, may pouch to. Hindi naman kasi ako nagsha-shadow, kaya hindi pa to masyadong, wala. Nakita nyo naman, yung iba hindi pa na gagalaw. Then, hair, buhok, mascara, curlash. Okay. Let me see your face. Come here. You have to come here, Baba. No, I have to move this. Wala na ba to? Hindi na to may move.
Yeah, there is.
You can, first you have, wait lang guys, pabihisan ko
I can
muna
just do
siya.
this.
No, you have to change now. Bago ka magbihis, maglagay ka muna nito. Meron pa ako ditong pinapagamit kay Sak, tsaka kay Holly, and ginagamit ko rin to. Ito yung L'Occitane na oil. Meron din kami nitong shower gel and lotion, pero ang dinala ko lang eto. Ang ganda nito, and gustong gusto to ni Sa kasi hindi siya greasy, and yung shower gel, you really like the shower gel, right, Holly? It's what? It's very, when you apply after,
it feels so smooth.
Yeah, very soft. Ang ganda nito, guys. Alright, lagyan ko muna siya nito. And may lotion din akong dala, pero hindi yung lotion nitong L'Occitane. Ayan. Ang dala ko ay etong sa Bath and Body to. Ang bango nito. Alright. Kasi si Holly, ang skin ni Holly, very dry, especially pag winter, nagka-crack. Okay. All over. Ang bango niya pa.
So good.
It smells so good.
Just like perfume.
Yeah. Okay.
But I still have my band-aid on. Did you bring my socks?
Yeah, of course.
I haven't put any on that one.
Yeah, just spread it all, please. You know what? I can, yeah, alright. Just do that one. Third quarter na, guys.
No, anymore.
Yeah. Yeah. Especially your knees, the back. Spread it all. More. Come on. And then the feet as well, Holly. This one, put your thumb here. Hirap lang tong isuot. There.
It's hard to put on these.
Can you close it first, Holly? And where's your thumb?
Yeah.
So it's twisted. Okay, back. Tingnan niyo yung super backless yung kanilang costume. You're gonna be what? Cheetah?
A leopard.
Yeah. Ano na nga to? Ayan. I'm gonna put lotion, oil here, Baba. At the back. Come on. Turn around. I should have cut this one. Oh. Maybe Maria can cut it. Lagyan ko siya yung Tibian dito sa likod din. Okay, right.
And then next is my solo. Next is my solo.
I'm gonna put this one. Come on. Hindi pa tayo nakakapag-makeup kasi.
Doesn't this have to be a high ponytail?
Yes, a very high. And no half. No middle part. Ang bango. You're so smells so good, Holly. Ang Tibian na to sobrang bango. Okay. Let me see you now. Do your hair first.
But wait on this way.
This way first. Mamaya na yung ano. Ay, ano ba to? Leading ata tayo, guys. Yung boys. Ito yung gamit natin, yung living proof na smooth styling cream. Buhay ng parents pag sabay-sabay ang ganap. Buti na lang talaga si Jan. Alam mo yun, walang work pag Saturday, tapos na yung work niya. Dahil kung nag-work si Jan na like regular everyday, wala. Hindi namin to magagawa para sa mga bata. Parang hindi lahat namin, hindi talaga. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Kaya thankful lang tayo na okay lahat.
Why don't you bring my regular brush?
What regular?
My
No, it's alright, this one. Ay. Okay. Hindi ko siya gusto ko sana siya dito sa may sa may pintuan, kaso malamig. Hindi niya kakayanin ang lamig. Sana magawa natin to ng maayos dito sa karbaba. Yung ibang ma'am ay nagpupunta sila sa sa salon talaga, nagpapa makeup, hair and makeup. Buti na lang kahit hindi naman tayo ganun kagaling, may alam din tayo kahit paano sa makeup at saka sa pag hairstyle. Simple lang naman. And hindi rin natin kailangan maglagay ng fake lashes. Kasi okay naman. Where's your baba?
It's high?
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Oh, I'm hot now. It's cold outside, but I feel hot. You see? Is it alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Perfect.
Okay.
This is how high Maya's ponytail is.
Okay.
So we're
We're just gonna
fix it later.
fix it later. Okay, your face. Oh.
Careful with my teeth.
Yeah. I have to put this one, Baba. Let me put. Ito pala binibenta ko to. Japanese to? Hair stick.
It's really good.
It's really good, no, Baba?
See, Dad.
Yeah. Come on, Andres. Mamaya, i-fix pa natin yung ipa-finalize pa natin yung buhok. Okay. Now, hindi ko na dinala yung primer ko. Isprayan na lang muna kita nitong ating Dalba. Where's my Dalba? Close your eyes, please. Set lang muna natin yan.
What's that? Smells so good.
Tapos, ang gagamitin ko sa'yo ay Sabi Foundation,
This is
di
my
ba?
starting position.
Okay.
Like a butterfly.
Anong oras na, Baba? Where's my phone? What time is it? So, gagamitan ko siya ng concealer na lang. Yung Capri, yung shade niya. I think we're winning. I think. Come on.
What's that?
Concealer na lang. Can you look down, please? Not really, look just like that. Oh, tingnan nyo, na-cover yung kanyang I cover your...
birthmark!
Yeah, I cover it. Ganito ka-powerful yung Tiviant, guys. Available siya sa live selling ko.
Now, Mom.
Yeah, it's
Not cover.
Yeah, I will cover it, but you don't have to. Don't look up. Just no.
I'm so excited.
Hmm?
I'm so excited.
Simula na nag-dance siya dito sa school na to, hindi na siya nakakapagsuot ng earrings dahil pinapatanggal din lalo na pag mayroon siyang aerial kasi baka sumabit sa soap.
And I can't be bothered to put them in and take them out.
Yeah, so sabi niya, alright. Tapos sa netball, you have to take it off. Tape or take it off.
Yeah.
So, yun ang ginagawa. So, kunti lang yung nilagay ko. But,
My lips.
magdagdagan pa natin.
I need more concealer to cover it up.
You don't have to cover it. It's
Just
pretty.
cover it up.
It's pretty, Baba.
Because now it just looks like dirt.
No, it's not. Come on.
What's next after this?
Tingnan nyo, guys. Look.
It's gone.
Ganun.
It's gone.
Oh, yeah. Wala na. Come on, here. But, it's beautiful, Baba. Even is showing it. I said, don't look because I'm get tired. My arms. So, diba? Concealer lang yan. Pero, parang ano na siya. Super cover na. Ay,
Covers
umuula.
up everything.
Yeah. Up. Look up.
On my neck.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go brush the excess here. A little bit sa neck mo. Mm. Come on.
Make sure you don't get it on your jumper.
Stop doing that. Just relax. I'm gonna brush your brows.
So much quick. This is liquid applying face brush.
Come here.
What are we doing?
I'm just gonna brush your.
I thought that was a mascara.
No, not yet. Mascara will be last.
No, lipstick is second last.
Okay. We will never touch your eyebrows, Baba. You don't pluck, okay? When you get bigger, you don't have to pluck it. Okay.
Why is it
Okay.
like this?
I'm just gonna, later, I'm gonna fix it. Okay. I got your
What's next?
eyeshadow now.
Yay.
But I wanna do this.
Why is my watch in here?
Meron ako dito yung Get Ready With Me na eyeliner.
Get ready
Ayan.
with me. Wait, is it to like...
Yeah, come here. I'm just gonna close your eyes now. Hindi ko dala yung ano ko. Ay, wala dyan. Diba ba?
Looks messy, but it will
No, I'm gonna blend pa yan.
finished.
Yeah, I think we're green. Alright, the fun part. Nasaan na yung ating... Okay, let's do the brown. So, ito yung gagamitin natin yung crackle. Ayan.
Brown.
Nice.
It's pretty.
Oh, dapat pala konti lang. Ay, napadami natin. Stop. So golden brown it says. Let me see. It's pretty already, Baba. We're just gonna put gold on top.
Did you bring lipstick?
Yeah, I do have lipstick there.
You can stretch
Okay.
in a car.
Makeup in the car. Get ready in the car. Show your eyes. Close your eyes. Ayan, so brown. Then, papatungan natin siya ng gold.
It looks like true.
Here.
The Dior.
The Dior. So, ngayon, Dior naman yung gamit natin. Okay, gold. Brush off lang natin to. Let's see.
If it's too much, just go.
Here, here, here.
Tap, tap, tap.
Is it gold? Look.
Huh? It's kind of a bronze.
Hmm?
It's kind of a bronze, but it looks brown.
Golden brown it says.
Oh, well, that's good.
Okay, close your eyes here. Okay. Meron pa ditong isang eyeshadow palette, yung Revolution. Merong, ayan yung gold na gold. Try natin tong patungan.
Let's go.
Kasi ayan na yung itsura. Close your eyes, baby. Ayan. Yung kabila hindi ko pa tapos. Yeah, let's see.
Great.
This one.
Oh.
Let's see.
That looks more gold.
No, this one, not that.
Looks
We're just
green.
gonna, come on. Here. No, here. Yes, this one too. We're just gonna put some of this too. Why you don't do that? Why you do that?
I need crap.
Put your legs here. Put your legs
Put
here.
it here. It's raining.
Come on. Stop moving, please. You see? Look.
Go, gold.
Come on. Close.
In a
Ah!
second.
Yeah, you better go when it doesn't rain.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go do some
No,
jobs.
12:30. Oh, yeah. Si John
Oh
Paul.
yeah.
Si John pala ang
Can't see
ano.
much footy. Gotta do jobs.
Siya yung ano sa papalit sa
wallet?
canteen. Kasi 11:32 ang schedule ko sa canteen. 12:30 yung
Get
drop
some
off kay
makeup?
Holly.
What chips?
Put your legs here, I said. Sit down and put your legs here. Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
See ya,
Good
Bob.
luck.
Good luck daw, Daddy. Oh.
But
Love you.
I don't have to lock your door, right?
Nah.
So, sana huwag tayo
sorry.
mabasa sa ulan,
Just
Bob.
make sure you get away for it because it's drizzly now. When it stops, you got to get going, or when it does.
Oh, when it stop, I'm gonna go. I-continue ko na lang to dun sa car. Kasi umuulan na. Ayaw naman natin itong mabasa. Continue ko na lang siguro to. Patigilin namin yung
are
ulan.
you
Tas,
gonna move on to the next one now?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna fix this first. So, tumigil ang ulan kasi mahuhulas ka. We have to run, Baba. Let me see.
Or you can just grab
Come on, let me
my
see.
jumper and just go over my head.
Yeah, you can wear mine. Let me see. Here, close your eyes. Who won, babe? Who won? Babe, who won? Who won?
Dad, who won?
Is he deaf? Oh, come on. So, hindi natin alam kung sino nanalo. Umalis na si Jen. Okay. Let's go, Baba. Lipat kami sa car ko.
But
Tapos na yung boys.
But you haven't finished it.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish it in the
No, I mean-
other car. And wear my jacket, Baba. Okay, wait. Pinapabihis ko siya niyan kasi ang lamig sa labas. Come on, Baba, hurry up before it rains again. Sana nakuha natin ang lahat.
Put my sleeve on. There we go.
You have to bring your backpack. You have to bring your backpack. Because I have to bring this one. Relocate tayo. Relocate. Okay, for your hair. Yung stand ng ating camera. Okay,
I
let's
got
go.
sour straps.
Tumagbi kami ni Holly. Kasi umuulan na naman. How's your makeup? Good.
Safe.
Safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue your other one. But I have to fix this. Can you look that way? Yeah, I have to fix that one. Ay! Ay, naano ng kuko ko.
Mom.
Ay, natusok. Ayan, pumasok dito. Where's the tissue?
Mom.
You know, I can see that better.
Wow. Don't people do that to make their nose longer?
Hi. Taller. Taller.
Longer. To make it stand out.
To make it stand out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to you. To make it stand out. Okay, come here.
What's that? Highlighter?
Yeah.
I knew it. Your fingers are so smooth and soft.
Is that alright?
Yes.
Okay. Curl lash. We're gonna curl your lashes and then mascara, blush and lipstick. Close
Blush
your-
on lipstick.
Close your eyes. I no, open, sorry. I don't like this either. Okay. Alright, don't pull her. Stay still. Another one. Oh my god, lumuluwa yung mata mo. Yeah.
It couldn't poke my eye. Like pinched my eye. Okay, I'm good now.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna fix your nag-smudge yung ano.
Why does it look so
I know because the blush curl lash there's a bit blush on pa pala.
Blush on lipstick and then eyelashes.
Okay, yung aking gagamitin ay na mascara is from Deviant. Bago to, naubusan na ako. Siya lang naman nakakaubos. Okay, we have to be careful with this one. Not to be messy. Uy, ang ganda! Tignan nyo guys.
What's the other one?
Yeah, there's a Let's see. Maybe this one is the lower one. Yes. Tingnan nyo yung kanyang
How
applicator.
much does it cost?
That's for the, I don't know.
It looks expensive.
It looks expensive, yes. Nakalimutan ko pero yeah, available yan sa aking live selling. Diba? Nagpo-promote pa tayo sa ito yung sa lashes. Okay. I don't want you to blink because it's gonna be messy, okay? Just don't blink. Oh, I just said don't blink.
Now they look long.
I know.
Why does it look so long? Like, look,
You
there
will,
to there.
you will love it, Baba. Your lashes.
I don't.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you wear it?
I wish I have that. When you get bigger, you will love your lashes, Baba, one day. Now you don't like it because you don't know how important is that lashes. All girls, like me, and teenage girl will love to have your lashes. Kailangan ko kapal lang kasi yung mga lashes na mga nakita ko sa mga picture ay ang kakapal. Kailangan ko siya ulit-ulitin. Don't blink, Baba. Look, tingnan nyo. Show it.
But why
Diba? Hindi niya kailangan ng fake.
there to there?
Kasi kailangan mag-order ng fake lashes dun sa school. Hindi ako nag-order kasi tingnan mo naman
My
lashes.
eyes are too long.
I know. Ang ganda. Nalagyan ko yung sa baba niyang lash. Just open, Baba. Show them the difference. Ayan yung meron sa baba. Ayan yung wala. Again, show it, Baba. See. Yung right meron, yung left wala. Okay. Lagyan na natin to. Then blush on and lipstick and we're good. We're going. Come on, huh? Okay.
No, it's there.
Which one? Up. Look up. That one. That's your lashes, Baba. Okay. Alright?
Can you not see that?
Okay. Which one? That one? It's alright now. That's how, oh, your lashes.
Just there.
Which? This?
Mm.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look. Show it to them.
Don't look at me.
Okay, blush on. And we're good. Come on.
And lipstick.
Blush on, blush on. Wait, I have to fix this.
Okay, lipstick. What lipstick color is it?
Red.
Did before.
Okay, lipstick.
These for you.
Come on. Ito yung, ayan. First time natin gagamitin yung red. Okay, what time is it? Okay, 5 more minutes before we go. Open your lips. Ah. That's alright for now. Let's go. Ayan na siya, guys. Show it. Mama. Wait.
Final product.
Ano?
Final product.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down now. Just gonna remove my stuff here. We're going. Put your seatbelt now, please. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Mamaya ko na ayusin ito kasi kailangan na namin umalis. Give me the key. Thank you. Okay. Tapos na guys yung kanyang practice dito sa dance class niya. So punta na kami doon sa theater. And ayusin ko yung buhok niya kasi hindi pa yan tapos. I-braid pala natin yung kanyang ponytail. How's your practice, Baba? Good? Okay, let's go. Malulupot na rin yung ating camera. Pero hindi naman tayo kasi magbablog doon sa concert kasi di ba? Bawal. Oh, hindi ko alam, hindi pa naman sinabi pero for sure hindi yan pwede. Kasi meron silang DVD. I have to put the TV onto your legs, Baba. That's the one I forgot to put. But it's alright. No, you alright? You're hungry? Do you wanna eat the rice before?
Not yet. I'm not hungry yet.
You have to, Baba, because you have no time to eat later. Everyone is
Hungry.
because everyone is grabbing some stuff, food from Macca's and KFC. So you should eat while waiting for the time.
Okay.
Okay? Ilang natin yung buhok niya. Lagyan ng Evian Star Balm yung kanyang legs. And you can eat. Okay. Okay, where's the spray at? And then, come on, your legs. You need your legs. Remove that one. Okay, lagyan ko lang siya. Ito yung pabango niya. What's this pabango again, Holly?
Sol de Janeiro.
Whoa, okay. Are you sure you're just gonna wear that one? But you have to put that in the bag. The jacket.
I did.
Ito yung green na ginawa ko. Kale, cucumber, apple, ginger. Do you want apple juice, Holly? I have apple juice here. That I'm... have some. Nakalimutan ko itong ibigay sa
Did you
boss.
make that? Isn't that
Yeah,
orange?
no, it's apple. Ang cute ng mga bata. Careful. No, nice.
So sweet.
Gusto ko sana ipadala kaso baka mabasag, wag na lang. Water, Baba, you got water?
Yeah.
Alright. Dala ako ng nuts. May nuts ako dito. And then water. Punta na kami. I think I'm just gonna drop you here at the back and then I'm going to the main gate, okay? Alright. I'll drop you here. Hindi siya nilalamig. Dark. You're excited now? Left, left, Baba, left. Okay, you're good. Good luck. I love you. Yeah, see ya. Well, I can drop you there, Baba. Good luck. Love you.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.